I haven't kept an eye on the mileage, but so far so good. It doesn't appear to be leaking. This is the first look at it since I did the install, so we shall see what we can see. And dear. There we go. There's that. Right, hang on. Right. Well, power steering fluid level is exactly the same. And can we get down and in there? Yeah, looks like we have no leaks. So yeah. Oh, was wondering where they'd gone to. Right, well, we'll shove those in the boot. Oh, that's good. Right, for some reason the button's gone down. Yeah. Right. Let's do that. Do that. Ah. Ha ha ha. The button hasn't gone down. Right, well, there's a lesson learned. It's a good job I used the spare key, because even with accessories on, the car... Oh no, it might have been me that did it. I may have pressed the button on this. But anyway, right, so chuck those down there. So yeah, everything seems good now. No leaks from the pipe. Power steering fluid is at the level it was, which is at the maximum level. Steering's absolutely brilliant, you know. Steering feels a lot better, to be honest. Not tighter, but certainly more reactive and more more reactive and more positive. Yeah, more reactive and more positive is what I'd say. You know, you don't have to drag on the wheel quite as much, or turn the wheel quite as much now to get it round corners and what have you. So anyway, this was only a quick update because we're going out for lunch apparently. So well, here he is again. Mondeo going up in the air. Oh, yeah. Seems to spend most of its time up in the air these days than it does anywhere else. And yeah. Right, there we go. And there's the little pipey. Oh, I wonder what that's for. Don't know. Well, this is what's leaking, so we need to take this off, yeah. Oh, that's good. That's that. That's that. Right. Okie doke. So, back soon. Right, just a little quick update on this. Right. All this has been sprayed with rusting paste, which basically turns the rust into an enamel. All this crap here, you can see, well, that's rusting paste, a mixture of rusting paste and power steering fluid. Right, these are the little bolties that we need to be dealing with. Oops, let's just focus. They've had a nice coat of that, and then we got those two. Ah, that's where it's leaking from. Right, now as you can see, that's where the exhaust leak is. Bit of bandage would have done that, but never mind. Right, anyway. Oh dear. Right, we have a missing ramp here as well. Yeah. So the ramp's gone from there, and instead we got one of those. Cool. Honey, nobody can use it at the moment because it's got no lock on it. So, right, anyway, more video as it happens. Right, so let's have a look. Light, come here. Right. Well, there's the cat, and it don't look that bad. For fuck's sake! Right, yeah, the cat don't look that bad, but it does look like a bastard to get to. You've got a bolt there and a bolt there to undo, and then I would imagine that you've got some manifold bolts at the top to undo. Right, I'm going to try giving it a blast out with airline anyway. Right, anyway. Oh dear. There's the cat, looking all cleaner than it did. Yeah. So with a bit of luck. Right, as far as this goes, well, as you can see, this is where she was blowing from, and that's probably why we're getting all that soot and why we were only getting it in bursts. Right, so next thing to do is get the new pipe, use some of the exhaust assembly paste, put the new gaskets in, button it all up, and that's it, we're done. She can come back down. Right, with these things you actually get two. As you can see, we've got an O-ring seal there, and I put some gasket shit on it, and then we got that one which goes on there, and again I put some assembly paste on it just to help the seal, to be fair. And then we should be able to grab this, put that on there and on there, and then let's keep it in place. There's that. And oh, there we is. Right, so we're halfway there. Now all we need is the two bolts which are here, and we shall undo that one, put that through there, and then that goes into there, and then right, okay, and this one goes in there. Couple of nuts. It's packed up again. Spin that nut on a little bit. Spin this. You fuck. Oh, damn me. Spin that one up a little bit. Now what it needs is tightening up, and as you can see, the LED light's gone again. Right, okay, so I'm going to tighten these up, both up.